Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. It seems to be the general consensus that pre-made survival tins and survival kits are nothing but crap, especially the ones you find on Amazon and ones that you find for under $100. I've done my best not to buy any. I don't want to waste your time reviewing one, and I didn't want to waste my money. But there was one recently that caught my eye, and it's actually made by ESEE, or Randall's Adventure and Survival Training, and that's it right here. Um, it comes in on Amazon, $39.99, and inside of it, it has a fishing kit, a quick tinder tabs, a small ferro rod, striker, signal mirror, cordage, button compass, snare wire, folding razor, and survival info card, and a bright strike light. So I got this yesterday. I have not opened it up. I've actually done my best to avoid checking out other people's reviews on YouTube. I want to take a look at it the same time you do. So let's break into this bad boy. And I'm not sure if I'm going to need a knife to break into it. Good thing I have one out. This is going to be fun. Try not to cut myself. No easy way to get in this. No easy way. This is the problem with these kind of videos. Alright, we're finally in. And that is a nice looking tin. So let's break into it. Well, there's even more. I feel like Florida Boy EDC when he's trying a new flashlight. Something always seems to go wrong. Alright, so we have the flashlight here. Ah, it's a green one. This must be the snare wire. Quick tinder. The cordage. Not sure what kind of cordage that is. Get a look. Doesn't say how much it is, how long it is. Let's take a look at that quick tinder too, real quick. It's a little cold outside. Fingers don't want to work well. Feels like a wax twine, maybe a jute twine. Alright. Very important in a survival situation is the humidity pack. Alright, we got the striker and the ferro rod. See if that works in a minute. Button compass. Don't know if that's working correct. And we have the razor blade. Interesting. Don't know how much you can do with that, but we've got this packed in here pretty well. Try to get all out. Alright, then you got your survival card. It has measurements, survival tips, some distress signals. This has got to be our signal mirror. And fingers don't want to work when it's cold outside. Yeah, a survival mirror, and tells you how to use it. And the last bag of goodies. It's gonna be your fishing line, a lure, and a weight. Bunch of hooks. So not bad, not terrible. I mean, if this is all you have, you are definitely have the ability to signal and fish and start a fire. Curious if the rod works. That's why we're doing this outside. Haven't done this since. Yeah, it works. Pretty good. So that is the ESEE survival tin. So worth 40 bucks. I'm sure you could probably make this for probably about half the price, but for something that you could just buy and throw in a pack, it's not terrible. You know, it does come with your cutting instrument, your fire instrument, your light. You know, green is pretty cool. Your cordage, your fishing, your signaling. So, and if you feel adventurous enough, your snare wire. So, it does on the back here give you some more survival tips and signaling for distress purposes. Well, so that is the ESEE survival kit. Found on Amazon for $39.99. And as always, I appreciate everybody watching. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you next time.